Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change contact name on WhatsApp. Maybe you have a friend who changed their name or you simply want to personalize your contact list. So today I am going to show you how to change contact name on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the contact whom you want to change the name. Now, tap on the contact's name to open the chat with that person. Once the chat is open, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear, and here, tap on this View Contact option. This will take you to the contact's profile page. Here, you will see the current name saved for this contact. Now, to change it, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. And in this menu, tap on Edit. Here, you can now modify the contact's name. First, delete the contact's current name. Then after that, you can now type in the new name that you want. Once you have entered the new name, tap on the Save button. After that, you now have successfully changed the contact's name on WhatsApp. The new name will now appear in your chat list and whenever you interact with that contact on the application. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change contact name on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change contact name on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.